Base metals are trading around session lows here on the floor of the London Metal Exchange as we headed into the start of the new week. We saw a strong start from Asia, however, once Europe entered the market, there was no follow-through from here. Prices drifted lower, all now around session lows. Much of the reason for the downturn in sentiment is the lack of demand coming from China. This is a key region for metals, and we're seeing demand fail to see the uptick that previously was expected. Additionally, the US FOMC is set to meet on Wednesday. We could see some further clarity about its monetary easing package, and many traders are now preferring to wait on the sidelines ahead of this meeting. Copper, last change in hands around $7,056 per tonne. In negative territory, but still managing to hold above $7,000 per tonne. Meanwhile, aluminium was also lower. It was down around $15 on Friday's close, while the much-watched June-July spread becomes prompt this week, Thursday, Wednesday. The Tom next spread then today saw a level. Meanwhile, the cash to July saw a contango of $12. Staying with aluminium then, and we saw some large increases in LME warehouses today. Indeed, total stocks are at a fresh all-time high when we saw an increase of nearly 70,000 tonnes. Much of the reason for the jump was due to arrivals in Detroit. However, market traders said that while this is a noteworthy jump in stocks, when taking into consideration that there is over 5 million tonnes in LME warehouses alone, it is not such a scary number. Rest of the metals then, nickel continues to bear the brunt of the downturn. It suffers from low prices and oversupply concerns. Rest of the index trading around session lows, drifting lower. Today we've got the G8 meeting which will take place in the UK. May see some developments from here, could see a bit of a reaction therefore into markets and currencies, feeding through into metals. However, it is likely to be that metals will hold around the bottom of current ranges as we head into Wednesday's all-important US meeting. This is Kathleen Retourne from Fastmarkets on the floor of the LME.